There are 6 main things a provider needs to do when it receives a government subpoena. First is don't ignore it. Second, the subpoena needs to be properly routed. In some instances, that can be to the provider's attorney, and in other instances, it will be to an internal staff member, such as an office manager, an operating officer, or a compliance officer in the case of a larger group. The third and fourth things a provider should do when they receive a subpoena is to immediately calendar a response date, because the penalties for not responding by the due date can be significant, and immediately issue litigation hold letters and orders to all staff members that may or do have access to information that is similar to the information contained in the subpoena. The fifth thing that a provider should do as soon as it receives a government subpoena is to contact its insurance carrier if it has insurance such as the MediGuard Plus policy, because the insurance carrier will get involved immediately and it will get the experts that the provider needs to address the issues in the subpoena on board from the start. The final thing a provider needs to do is conduct a diligent search for documents and information that are responsive to the subpoena. A diligent search is a time-consuming and expensive process, and if a provider does not have an internal staff that is capable of searching for and locating the information, then it needs to bring in an outside company. Having a policy like MediGuard Plus can give a provider the resources it needs to locate a company that's qualified to search its records, to keep them confidential, and to help them produce documents that are responsive.